Hi, welcome to YouTube channel. We will discuss about types of IV fluids and uses. Normal saline NS. Composition: each 100 ml contains sodium chloride 0.9 gram, water for injection QS. Uses: used in dehydration, used in hyponatremia, used for wound washing, and to clean the IV line. Next one, second one, dextrose normal saline DNS. Composition: each 100 ml contains dextrose 5 grams, sodium chloride 0.9 grams, water for injection QS. Its uses: used in dehydration, used in hypoglycemia, and maintenance fluids. Note: don't use in diabetic patients. Third one, types of DNS. There are three types: 5D, 10D, 25D. First we discuss 5D. Each 100 ml contains dextrose 5 gram, H2O for injection QS. And next 10D. Each 100 ml contains dextrose 10 gram, H2O for injection QS. And third one 25D. Each 100 ml contains dextrose 25 grams, H2O for injection QS. Uses: fluids replenishment, caloric supply to body, used in hypernatremic patients. They are three: 5D, and second one 10D, and third one వచ్చేసి and fourth one Pringle lactate. It means RL. Composition: each 100 ml contains lactic acid 0.24 ml, sodium hydroxide 0.115 gram, sodium chloride 0.60 gram, potassium chloride 0.04 gram, calcium chloride 0.027 gram, H2O for injection QS. H2O means water. It used in burn and used in acute blood loss and used in hypotension. And fifth one, Metrogyl. Metrogyl injection is a class of medication called antibiotic medication. It contains salt. Uses: Metrogyl used to treat hepatic, peptic ulcers, used to treat urinary tract infection in male and female, and skin infection. Metrogyl available tablet form, gel form, infusion form, and syrup suspension. Advances reactions: anorexia, nausea, metallic taste in mouth, abdominal cramps, itching, rashes, allergy is the common. Prolonged used: peripheria neuropathy, CNS effect, seizures. Sixth one, monitor injection 20%. Composition: each 100 ml contains monitor 20 gram, H2O for injection QS. It uses acute renal failure and acute conjunctive glaucoma. And third one, eyes brain operation. And last one, reduce swelling and pressure in eye. Side effects: vomiting, dry mouth, thirsty, runny nose, arm pain, low BP, headache, diarrhea. And seventh one, paracetamol injection. Composition: each 100 ml contains PCM IP 1000 mg. H2 for injection QS. It uses antipyretic, fever, analgesics, painkiller. Side effects: allergic reaction, nausea, vomitings, abdominal pain, headache, taste and slow hearted. Eighth one, hydroxyethyl starch. It's called Expovan. Composition: each 100 ml contains hydroxyethyl starch 6 grams. H2 for injection cures. Uses: to prevent shock and severe blood loss caused by trauma and surgery. Low blood pressure, dehydration, low sodium value. To stable vital, restore electrolytes. Side effects: pain and swelling, redness, allergic, runny nose, sneezing, irritability, skin rashes, and fever. And last one, Cifron injection. Cifro and Ciflox. Composition: each 100 ml contains Cifron 200 mg, sodium chloride 900 mg, H2O for injection QS. It uses bacterial infection, skin, bones, joint, and sexual transmission infection, typhoid fever, diarrhea, pneumonia. And side effects: nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, vagina itching or discharge, pale skin,